Alright, so this is my first cooking show, and today we'll be cooking syrup sandwiches. And so we're going to need the essentials, ingredients. So first there's the syrup, and then there's the sandwich. So now to show you how to make it, what you're going to need to do is you're going to get your syrup, and you're going to just drench the sandwich in it. Alright, so we made sure we got our, now we're going to fold it, and we have our syrup sandwiches. Good. It's really good. Let me know in the comments if I should do another cooking show, and tell me what I should do. So, I'll see y'all in the next video.